Hello, this is Greg Allison from Galactic Greg's, coming to you from a place right here on planet Earth. What I'm about to show you is clear evidence based on the solar eclipse to make it clear that Earth is a sphere. And I'm going to show you a video from the south side of this building of the sun while the eclipse is going on in Chile. But you're not going to see any sign of it right here in the northern hemisphere. However, it's all in the western hemisphere. The sun's on the side of the earth. For those people that subscribe to the flat earth theory, you should be able to see the moon, because the moon is, according to them, should be between Chile and the sun. If the earth is flat, then the angles of the moon should be right beneath the sun in that direction, with some of the light glinting off of it back in this direction, which is not at all the case. Therefore, we are in space. Apologies to my space fans about making a video trying to prove Earth is round, but the fact of the matter is there's a growing group of people in this country who think otherwise. So this video is to demonstrate to them that they need to think some more. If the world were flat, or if the world were a dome shape, as some people who are trying to strike a compromise between the notion of flat and spherical Earth, if either of those were the case, and the sun is shining here and it's also shining in South America at the same time because it's in this western hemisphere, then somewhere between here and Venezuela, Chile, and those countries south, you should be able to see a moon, because the sun will be shining light off of it if it's between here and there, and some will be bouncing back at us. Not the case. Not the case at all. Which would have to be if the sky was just a dome and the world was some flat thing underneath it and all this stuff running around inside, as the flat earthers like to suggest. This busts that case completely. It's not a case. Earth's in space. That's the reality. The reality is we live on a spherical Earth, and the moon revolves around the Earth. The Earth spins. Case closed. As you can see from this live feed, the moon's shadow is now retracting across the surface of the sun, and the sun is reappearing. From a higher altitude here, still no moon. And now I'm at a good high altitude. If there were a moon to be visible over Chile, which is about that direction, you scan around, there's no sign of it. For the moon to be right over Chile, then that means it would be in an angle that would reflect light at this point from the sun. But my friends, clearly, that is not at all the case. Yes, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the update notification bell for future updates. Thank you, bye.